Hey y'all, welcome to the video. This is Tony with Eat and Travel with Tony. And in this video, I'm going to be making some candy mixture in order to dip the candy apples in. This process, making the candy mixture, of course, takes a long time. So it's going to be sped up just to let you know. But like I said, definitely welcome to the video. So make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos uploaded from this point here on out. And if you ain't seen those in the past, I always say go check those out too. So like I said, in this video, I'm going to be making 2 batches of candy apples. Um, like I said, I will speed it up because it takes about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour just to get the candy cooked to a certain stage to actually dip the apples in. So, but let me tell you what apples I'm making. Or the flavors I'm making, flavors and colors, because you will see colors in there too. And I will put, of course, directions as we're going throughout the actual video, so that you can know when I added um, the color, the flavoring, all those types of things. And of course, I'll put the recipe that I use in the description of this video as well, so that you can make your own candy apples for your family or for an event that you may have coming up. So the flavors I chose for these apples were the pink ones are going to be peach flavored, and the blue ones are going to be watermelon flavored. So, like I said, definitely stay tuned, and of course, watch the process, y'all. Peace. Hey, y'all. In this part of the video, I'm actually making the blue watermelon candy apples, or I'm dipping the blue watermelon candy apples. The blue color is already in there, as you see. The flavoring's already in there, so now I just got to dip the apples inside the candy to make these bad boys into what they're supposed to be, some beautiful candy apples. So like I said, all the things that you will know or need is in the description. So make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos upload from this point here on out. And like I said, everything will be in the description for you to use. So I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know in the comments if you're making these apples or if you have ever made candy apples and what kind you made, because I definitely want to know. And if you have a video, let me know too so I can go on your page and check it out, y'all. So like I said again, this is Tony with Eat and Travel with Tony. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to let this play on now so y'all can see all the apples dipped, y'all. I hope you enjoy. Honey Buns, what you doing? What you doing, sweetie? Girl. It already bubbled up. I don't know why it bubbled. So I've gotten to this point, y'all. I got the pot off the stove and it's on the counter, getting ready to dip these candy apples. Like I said, the first batch is going to be the pink peach candy apples. I chose pink because it's closer to peach. I didn't want to use like an orange or that kind of thing, but I just used the pink. I figured that was cute enough because these were for an event, so I thought that was cute enough. So like I said, I used the pink coloring to, of course, to use for this particular batch of apples. And like I said, y'all, these came out beautiful and perfect. Everybody loved the taste too. So like I said, I put in the description the recipe that I used, and the of course the flavorings, the colors that I used. Let me see what else. I guess that's it. And of course the apples and the sticks. I mean, like, of course, all that kind of stuff you'll need. But like I said, I will put everything that you need in the description so that you can make your own apples. And if you don't want to get the flavoring or don't have the funds to buy right now or the colors, you can just dip the apples and make them just regular candy apples. It is fine. It's not a problem. But just know that Walmart or any other like a store, Michael's, any of those any store that you go to really usually have some type of flavoring and some type of food coloring. I put it that way so that you can always kind of go on the cheaper side if you want, because some of these flavors and some of the colorings, of course, do cost a lot. So, or do cost. I ain't gonna say a lot, but they do cost. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this part of this video. Like I said, I'm loving making these peach pink candy apples, and I hope you enjoyed them too. And don't forget to, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point here on out. And feel free to share this video, of course, with your family, friends, on your social media, so other folks can, of course, you have no idea who's interested in making things like this until you share it. So like I said, definitely feel free to share it. Peace out, y'all. Again, make sure you subscribe and finish watching these dipped apples, y'all. Peace.